When it comes to upgrading your Lafayette home, installing a new door might not seem like a top priority until you realize how much it impacts your home's comfort, security, energy efficiency, and overall value. That's why more Lafayette homeowners are turning to professional door installation services to handle this critical home improvement task. Below, we explore the top reasons why homeowners in Lafayette choose professionals instead of DIY solutions, and why it's a smart investment in the long run. Precision and proper fit every time. The door is one of the most used elements of any home. Whether it's the front entryway, a patio sliding door, or an interior room divider, precision installation matters. Professional installers measure and fit each door to exact specifications. They know how to adjust for uneven walls, aging frames, and tricky thresholds. A door that's even slightly misaligned can cause drafts, difficulty in opening and closing, or early wear and tear. With professional help, you can avoid these issues altogether and ensure a perfect fit that stands the test of time. Enhanced energy efficiency. Lafayette residents experience a mix of hot, humid summers and chilly winters. This makes energy efficiency a top concern for local homeowners. A professionally installed door, especially one designed for insulation and weather resistance, can help reduce heat loss, eliminate drafts, and lower your monthly utility bills. Certified installers also apply proper sealing techniques, weather stripping, and insulation materials that ensure your door is truly airtight. This level of detail is often missed during DIY attempts. Improved home security. Your entry door is the first line of defense against unwanted intrusions. Today's doors come with advanced locking systems, impact-resistant materials, and reinforced frames, but their security benefits are only as good as the quality of their installation. Professional installers ensure your door is not only beautiful but also securely anchored and properly aligned, so it performs as intended. For Lafayette families, that peace of mind is priceless. Warranties and workmanship guarantees. One of the biggest advantages of choosing a professional door installation service in Lafayette is the warranty coverage. Reputable companies offer both product and workmanship warranties, which protect you from defects or poor installation outcomes. DIY projects or hiring unlicensed contractors usually come with no guarantees, leaving you to cover costly repairs if something goes wrong. With professionals, you get accountability and confidence in the finished result. Wide selection of styles and materials. Professional installers often work with trusted manufacturers, giving you access to a wider variety of doors that match your style and performance needs. Whether you want fiberglass, steel, or wood, modern, traditional, or craftsman, experts can guide you through the pros and cons of each type. They also help match your new door to the existing architecture of your Lafayette home, ensuring a cohesive and attractive appearance. Time savings and stress reduction. Let's face it, door installation is not a weekend project for the faint of heart. It requires specialized tools, technical know-how, and often, more than one person. By hiring a professional, you save time and avoid the frustration that can come with unexpected problems like incorrect sizing, missing parts, or structural issues. With professionals on the job, you can sit back and relax, knowing the installation is being handled efficiently and correctly. Final thoughts. Whether you're improving your Lafayette home's curb appeal, enhancing security, or boosting energy savings, a professionally installed door is a smart and lasting investment. With expert guidance, top-tier materials, and flawless workmanship, you get results that are beautiful, functional, and built to last. Don't take chances with DIY shortcuts. Choose a local professional door installer who understands the unique needs of Lafayette homes and can deliver the performance and peace of mind you deserve.